are at Gary Road and there's a gang. So this time we are riding to Chilika, Rambha, and from there we'll go to Konark and to Satkosia. And there's Sid, there's Sudhita, and there's Foster, there's BMW, Adventure 390, and this is my setup over here. So we're going to ride from here to Rambha and see you on the road. After Kharagpur, and everybody's over here, and this is P99 Dhaba, P99, and here are the bikes. So here's the lineup. That's my bike, the doctor. There's Sid, and there's Sudhita, and there is Mr. Costa. Hi. There he is with his BMW, and this is Sudhita's too. 6 KTM over there. So we have ordered some tea over here and we're going to have some tea and then we're going to hit the road again. The road is very good, the weather is cold and riding is fun. Beautiful tea out here in the highway. On the highway now, and we have stopped. And now we are at 100 kilometers from Cuttack, and from there we'll be another 150 kilometers. So we are only 250 kilometers from our destination. And the guys over here, small bio break. Stop. We've just crossed Balasore, and we have refueled the bikes. This is the lineup with Sid and Sundar's bike. And there's my bike, and that is Coast of Flag. There he is. So we just refueled here, stopped here for some drinks. Pantanivas Chotidisi at Rambha, and this is the cottage we're staying. So let's take a look at the cottage. So this whole thing is ours, so massive. So check it out. And this is the sitting room where presently our helmets are sitting. And here we have the bedroom. As I said, hello. So we are in the cabin by the lake, and that is Chilika. That is Chilika. Beautiful. That is all Chilika over there. So this is the Pantanivas at Rambha. So that is the main building over there, and these are the cottages. So we are staying in this cottage over here, and this is the way to Chilika. So this goes straight to the lake, or the lagoon to be more precise. Relax around here. So now we go to Chilika. Good morning from Chilika again. So we had breakfast and now we are down to Chilika. So we are here at the land's end. She comes in here in the bike and we are going to visit the island. So you can see breakfast island over there and some birds over here and some fishermen mending their stuff and the guys over there with the bike. So we're going to look at the bikes. So let's take a look at the bike. All the guys over here. Having fun. So we have Siddha's bike, the Duke, and here's the gang.
And the boys.
And the boys over here.
And the boys played well.
And the boys played well, yes. This is Sid's rally. And this is my doctor. And here is the famous, the Nami Dami, the one and only BMW. We are on the boat. That is the pier over there, and that is the Pontonibus over there. So from there we have started the ride, and we are on a speedboat. And he is our boatman. He is Sulida. Sulida, how are you enjoying?
Much fun.
Uncle is the boatman. He needs to join, huh? Custom. He's having fun. That's it.
As always.
Amazing, amazing. So this is breakfast. The breakfast salad. First up. Oh. It's just a structure, like a structure like a island na.
ये बनाया क्यों था वैसे?
ब्रिटिश बनाया था।
सरकार लोग आते हैं
আরে ওরা এখানে ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে হবে ভাই।
काजू तो खुला
কোথায়? পাথর ওটা।
ওখানে বোটটা বাঁধা আছে।
ও নামবো তো আমরা।
সামনে যে উতরে
the obelisk over here. And here is our boat. We're on the breakfast island. This is a small structure.
হ্যাঁ আমার খুব ভালো
All the local structure. Oh, well, people used to have breakfast here, it seems. With crumpet and tea. The Britishers used to come here, have breakfast and leave. It's basically just a structure on the lake. Nothing else.
and then আমাদের চশমা বাবু and here you go Kolkata আর তারা তো আছেই
So this is the dinosaur island. There we have dinosaur. Mr. Dinosaur. The dinosaur has unfortunately lost its tail.
because of squids like this guy
Because of the Amphan. Oh nice. এখানে বোধহয় নামা যায়।
হ্যাঁ
কাকা হাসছে নাকি?
থেকে নাম
Oh, this is all pathar, all rock. This is all rock, no talk. So we have landed on the island. हाँ क्यों नहीं? पीजिए ना. Also here people are having chena.
It's too good
This is nice, amazing.
ম্যাডাম
Hey,
সকাল কটা